My name is Brandon Alvarez.
My name is Hamid Haju.
Hello, my name is Michael Carvel.
My name is Paul Schmill.
My name is Jackson Roba.
My name is Antonio Farrell. I'm a part of the industrial maintenance program here at Bucks County Community College. Well, I started in the retail industry and worked my way up to manager, and for 10 years I was just working a lot, and then just one day I was just like, I really want to do something different, and I came here, and honestly I loved it ever since. Every single step of the way I've just been learning, and I want to continue to learn and grow.
I always liked working with my hands. Back in the younger days I used to build computers, so I always liked working with my hands and building different things. But it seems like when I was trying to get into other maintenance positions, they would say, well, you know, you don't have this experience or you just have experience. And I looked at the program, and the program here had a lot of the offerings that some of the potential employers were looking for.
Some of the things that the program teaches is electrical, different types of gear drives and belt drives, and understanding hardware. You learn how to wire outlets, light switches.
Mechanical side, it was like drilling, tapping, like just getting used to like tools, stuff like that. And then we got a little more in depth with wiring, like three-way switches. We actually built a motor, and then at the end we started working a lot with hydraulics and pneumatics, so that was fun. They pretty much figured out what my strengths and weaknesses were and got me involved in the class, and I started picking up from there, and now I feel like I know pretty much everything.
I've gotten probably more calls for interviews in the past week or two that like I might have had in a year, just sending out random things on Indeed. So
I didn't know too much about electrical. I didn't know too much about tools. I didn't know too much about plumbing. I didn't know what the difference between pneumatics and hydraulics was. And honestly, learning all of that, it's just like, it expanded my mind to how the trades just kind of come along.
I would tell them to join because it's only 12 weeks, especially if you're coming right out of high school. You can get more knowledge and stuff, and they give you 12 credits, so that's good too.
I think I would encourage the people to come here, so because I had the great experience. That's wonderful. So I will encourage him to this program, to join this program, because this is a great opportunity.
If you're really looking for a change in life and just wanting to do something different, I would say take the leap. It's so worth it. I was a person that came in with zero confidence, and honestly, I'm leaving here and I feel so confident. I feel so overwhelmed and joy to wanting to do this. And for anyone that's out there and thinking about it, I would say it's worth it. I would say do it. It's 100% one of the best decisions I've probably made in my life.